Hi, I'm David. Today I'd like to introduce you to a Forex trading robot that isn't for sale, and in all likelihood never will be. So why am I talking about it? You'll have your answer in just a moment. The robot was developed by a group of 3 friends, and I'm proud to be one of them. To be honest, I have no idea how you could put a price on more than 5 years of work by 3 people. Daily learning, development, testing, making mistakes, redesigning. Days and nights, weekends and holidays. Countless moments when it would have been much easier to simply give up. To keep it short, no, we're not going to sell this robot. However, there is a way for you to benefit from what we've built. The platform I'm about to show you was originally created exclusively for our own use. Its purpose was simple, to let us monitor the robot's performance anytime, anywhere, without having to log into MetaTrader accounts. So why did we decide to make it public? Partly because of an ongoing debate within the trading community. More specifically, we got tired of the smoke and mirrors so many self-proclaimed trading gurus create online. You probably know the type. They catch one good week or one lucky month, open a few ridiculously risky positions, and when things happen to work out, they quickly take a handful of screenshots, often on a demo account, of course. Then the marketing begins. Courses, mentorships, VIP groups, robots, books, exclusive communities, secret strategies. Eventually, the only thing missing is bottled guru bathwater. Funny how you never get to see the losing periods, the part that stays behind the curtain. We decided to take a different approach. Instead of showing you one great week, one carefully cropped screenshot, or one polished marketing presentation. We'd rather show you the complete picture, what the system actually does over the long run. So why do we charge money for this? Well, even priests don't work for free. We also believe that people tend to value what they pay for and are more likely to actually use it. Compared to what many competitors charge, we've intentionally set a very modest price. I don't expect this to replace our primary income, but who knows? Now let's clear something up. There is no financial market in the world where you can reliably double or triple your capital every single month. Sure, you can trade like a kamikaze, you can use insane leverage, you might hit a few spectacular wins, but that's not investing, that's gambling. Think about it for a second. If someone could genuinely double their wealth every month, do you really think they'd sell you that secret for a few dollars? Why would they? Would you? If you were making millions or even billions every month using the same strategy, would you spend your time teaching strangers online for pocket change? Probably not. In many cases, the biggest clue that a heavily advertised strategy doesn't actually work is that its creator has to sell books and courses instead of simply making money with the strategy itself. In other words, they're selling their time, just like everyone else. So whenever you come across promises of unrealistic returns, stop and think for a moment. Most of the time, these people don't make their living from trading. They make their living by selling you the illusion of trading. Now for the less exciting part. Our robot doesn't promise overnight miracles. Over the past year and a half, our portfolio has achieved an average monthly growth of approximately 6.2%. Is that a lot, or is it too little? We'll let you decide. For us, it's enough. We believe in consistency. Over the long term, predictable growth matters far more to us than making huge profits occasionally and then blowing up the account because of one bad decision. And if you compare that to what government bonds or diversified ETF portfolios typically offer on an annual basis, suddenly around 6% per month doesn't sound quite so bad, especially if you're able to reinvest your profits every month. Of course, it's important to emphasize that past performance is never a guarantee of future results. I'd also like to make one thing absolutely clear. We're not giving away our robot. We're not selling the robot. We're not launching a course. We're not offering mentorships. And we're certainly not building an MLM business. We're not interested in creating another full-time job for ourselves. We're simply trying this because the platform already existed. And we're curious to see whether the market values dreams more than actual results. What we're offering is transparency. You'll be able to see the positions, the decisions, and the results. If you choose to copy those trades, you do so entirely at your own risk. Your results and your decisions remain your responsibility. Nothing on this platform constitutes financial or investment advice, nor does it guarantee any financial outcome. It's simply an opportunity to see how we trade. One thing you won't see is our lot sizes. There's a very simple reason for that. Lot size by itself means absolutely nothing. Everyone trades with different account sizes, different risk tolerance, and different financial goals. We don't want to encourage anyone to take risks beyond what they're personally comfortable with. Now let's finally take a look at the platform itself. Immediately after logging in, you'll see our own recommendations regarding risk management and the amount of margin we maintain behind our positions. Our approach is based on many smaller positions rather than placing one gigantic all-or-nothing trade. The platform has two main sections: open positions, closed positions. The closed positions page lets you review every trade we've made in the past. Since we don't display lot sizes, performance is measured in pips, that is, market price movement. It may sound unusual at first, but it's actually the least misleading way to present results. If we told you we made $100 on a trade, that information would be almost meaningless because your account size and position sizing are different. The market movement itself, however, is identical for everyone. And yes, you'll see losing trades too. Anyone promising a trading system with no losses is probably someone you should walk away from immediately. Losses are a completely natural part of trading. The goal isn't to win every single trade. The goal is for the overall performance to remain positive over the long run. Our system operates almost entirely automatically from market open to market close. We run several strategic models simultaneously, so you'll see short-term scalping trades, day trades, and longer-term positions depending on market conditions. Built-in filters allow you to display exactly the type of trades you're interested in. And one more thing, this isn't a typical signal group. Don't expect 2 weekly analyses attempting to predict what the market will do next month. Trades happen here in real time. On active market days, the system may execute 30 or 40 positions if market conditions justify it. If you'd like to learn more about how everything works, visit signalcrumbs.com, available in 21 languages. There you'll find complete information about the system, and you can even try it completely free for 7 days. You'll find the link in the description below this video. To use the platform, you'll need a Patreon account. Authentication is handled through Patreon, so we never store your personal information. And if you decide after the trial that the service isn't for you, simply cancel your subscription. That's it. Our primary focus is on the American dollar, Japanese yen, and British pound / Japanese yen markets because they align best with our carry trade approach. We combine this with multiple day trading strategies that analyze the market across different time frames, using indicators such as Z-score and chandelier exit. I won't go into the technical details here, but roughly 100,000 lines of code are responsible for the precision of our decision-making. If you find the service useful, we're genuinely happy to hear that, but please always stay disciplined. Greed is one of the most expensive lessons in trading. Unfortunately, or perhaps fortunately, everyone learns that lesson sooner or later. Patience, discipline, and proper risk management are much better long-term companions. Take one step toward your goals every single day, and over time you'll get there. See you on Signal Crumbs.